Hi, it's Doug Dane. Listen, your self worth equals your net worth. This is a tip from my book, Mistaken Identity, and each day I'm providing these daily tips, trying to convince you to think of yourself differently, try to see yourself differently, not from this mistaken point of view that you adopted and you inherited, you brought forward since you were young. You might be stuck, you might be struggling in an area of your life, you might be stuck in your career and your professional life or your business trying to get ahead, and you're mistaken about a bunch of things. In fact, this Friday I'm doing a workshop, Friday morning at 10 a.m. Eastern, where I'm going to be talking about this unconventional path to career success and the mistakes that you make trying to get ahead and how to avoid them. And so one of them, of course, is this idea that your net worth equals your self-worth and vice versa. So you probably, if you're not doing what you want to be doing, if you're not earning what you want to be earning, if you're struggling in your career, if you're struggling to get ahead professionally, if you have a business and your business is not getting ahead, and you've got people working for you, everybody's struggling with the same problem. And so this mistaken identity, we're actually really mistaken about our own value and our own self-worth, and that determines how well we do professionally and in our career. Listen, I have no education. I tried high school 3 times. I barely made it into grade 10, so I didn't actually even complete grade 9, really. I quit high school 3 times. I went, quit, just trying to get it right and get ahead. And I have grade 9 English, but yet I wrote a really effective book called Mistaken Identity. And so for the longest time, I was convinced of my own low self-worth and didn't like myself and didn't love myself because of what I went through when I was young, but also how I felt about myself because of the mistakes I made, because of what I went through. And so we have a problem with our own self-worth, and that determines our net worth. Your self-worth determines how worthy you feel you are towards the marketplace or towards your customers or towards your manager or your boss or towards the promotion that you would like to have. You want to promote yourself. You want to move into a promotion, an upper position in your job and in your business so you can do better and you can enjoy your life more. And so what we got to do is we really got to get rid of our mistaken identity and these mistaken beliefs we have about ourselves because of how we were treated when we were young. One of the chapters in my book is called "Who Do You Think You Are?" A lot of people heard that when they were young, from family and parents, siblings, maybe teachers. Maybe somebody said, "Who do you think you are? Who do you think you are trying to do better? Who do you think you are trying to grow your business? Who do you think you are thinking you deserve a promotion and doing better in your career?" And so we had a lot of stuff happen to us that caused this mistaken identity. And a lot of people, maybe you too, don't feel worthy enough or don't recognize your own true self-worth, and that's impacting your net worth. You could be doing better. You could be earning more. You could be growing your business, building your business. You could be building a dream business. You could start your own business. Or if you're leading other people, you're trying to lead them to something bigger. Remember that they're dealing with this individually. And when you have a team of people, collectively, you've got a bunch of people that just don't feel confident or believe in themselves or feel they're worthy of the success that you're demanding, expecting of them, and that they deserve. So listen, come to this workshop on Friday, 10 a.m. I'll spend a few hours with you explaining this unconventional approach to your career success and the mistakes that you make and how to avoid them. And it's unconventional in the context that the approach that I'm going to take with you is nothing new. It's unconventional in that very few people are approaching their mistaken identity and their own self-worth the way that I am. So I hope that you'll come, click the link in the email, and register, and I'll see you on Friday. Thank you.